What?
Shut up. You're wondering why you're here. All your life, you've been ungrateful.
What?
Let me finish. You've been so ungrateful that you're alive. I'm here to change that. This place may be your death room. Or
what?
Shut up. This place may be your death room. Or maybe not. You might get out of here alive.
Okay.
You are strapped to the wall.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are strapped to the wall by your ankles. There's a chain connecting your leg to a pipe.
No, it's not.
Then where are you?
I'm on the toilet.
What are you doing on the toilet?
Number 2.
What?
I said number 2.
Get out of my toilet. Get off of my toilet. That's not a real toilet. Hey, I have some stuff in there. Get off there now.
I'm not done.
Get off there now.
Alright, okay. Hold on. Ugh. Woo.
Sick dude. Alright, fine. You can't get out of that room anyways because I have the key.
You just said the key was in the toilet.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
So what are you gonna do? Put your hand in your crap and look for the key in the toilet? I don't think so. That's it.
I got the key.
Oh, no. You know what?